Why are there not more people talking about the benefits of selling your vacant property to a cash buyer? Let's dive into the top 5 reasons why this could be the best decision for you. Owning a distressed property can be a financial burden and a constant source of stress. Whether it's an inherited home or a property that needs too many repairs, we have a solution for you. Reason number 1, quick sale. Cash buyers can close deals in as little as a week. Imagine the relief of closing the deal and having the funds you need to move forward with your life. No more waiting, no more uncertainty, just a straightforward, efficient process. Reason number 2, no repairs needed. Sell the property as is without spending on repairs. Cash buyers are ready to make an offer as is, which means you can avoid the hassle of traditional real estate transactions. Reason number 3, avoid foreclosure. Quickly sell to avoid foreclosure and save your credit. Don't let that distressed property hold you back any longer. Reason number 4, no commissions. Save money by avoiding realtor commissions. Take control of your situation and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a fast cash sale. Reason number 5, certainty. Cash offers provide a guaranteed sale without the risk of financing falling through. Reach out now and see how simple selling your home can be.